Nice one.
Kelly, this is gonna be a good.
Okay, I'm watching. Woo! Mercedes. Nice. Okay, Miles, you're up. I need to see a really good long run.
Oh, long run.
Oh, yeah.
Long run.
Okay.
You want a long run?
Really?
Yeah.
How about you, Royce? Long and fast?
Very fast. Not too long. Very fast.
Oh, you guys. These kids are insane. This is pretty much just rock, folks. Luke, that was a good one. He's still going. Oh, here goes Ethan.
You want me to do a long run too, if you can?
Yes, I do. Oh, yeah. Nice one, Mercedes. And it's a beautiful day in Victoria for ice sledding.